You don't wake up one day and decide to lose yourself in someone else. It happens slowly, quietly, almost invisibly. And that's exactly what Stop Codependency by Antony Felix exposes with uncomfortable clarity. Because at some point, caring turns into fixing. Fixing turns into sacrificing. And before you even notice it, your entire emotional world starts depending on someone else's behavior. There's a pattern this book pulls into the light, and once you see it, it's hard to unsee. You start adjusting your mood based on how they act. You overthink simple conversations. You ignore your own needs just to keep peace. And deep down, you know something isn't right. But you tell yourself, this is just what love looks like. The truth is, it's not. And that realization hits harder than most people expect, because it forces you to confront something deeper than the relationship itself. It's not just about them anymore. It's about why you feel responsible for their emotions, why you tolerate behavior that drains you, and why walking away or even setting boundaries feels almost impossible. What makes this book different is that it doesn't just describe the problem. It breaks it down into moments you actually recognize in your own life: the subtle manipulation, the guilt, the constant need to be there, even when it's destroying your peace, and the quiet fear that if you stop, you might lose the relationship entirely. And that fear? That's where the cycle lives. Because as long as fear is in control, you keep giving, keep adjusting, keep losing pieces of yourself just to hold everything together. And the more you give, the more you disappear. Until one day, you realize you don't even recognize the version of yourself you've become. That's the turning point this book is built around. Not blaming you, not shaming you, but waking you up to the fact that love was never supposed to cost you your identity. That healthy relationships don't require you to shrink, to overcompensate, or to constantly prove your worth through sacrifice. Step by step, the book starts shifting your perspective, helping you see where boundaries should exist, where responsibility actually ends, and where your life needs to come back into your own hands. And it's not loud or dramatic. It's quiet, practical, and almost uncomfortable in how honest it is. Because real change doesn't come from motivation. It comes from awareness, followed by action. And once you start recognizing the patterns, once you start pulling back even slightly, something begins to change. You think clearer, you react differently, and for the first time, you start choosing yourself without feeling guilty about it. That's when everything starts to shift. Not overnight, not perfectly, but enough to feel like you're finally stepping out of a cycle that once felt impossible to escape. Enough to realize that love should feel stable, not exhausting, and that your peace should never be the price you pay to keep someone else comfortable. So if you've ever felt emotionally drained, constantly responsible, or stuck in a relationship that takes more than it gives, then this isn't just another book sitting on a shelf. It's a mirror. And sometimes that's exactly what you need to finally break free.